In the middle of a busy street stood a very small general store. Its wooden walls were worn, and the faded signboard had almost lost its color. People often passed by without paying much attention to it. That little general store belonged to Rashid, an elderly man with kind eyes and a calm smile. For many years, Rashid opened his general store early in the morning and closed it late at night. Business was slow, because around him new supermarkets with bright lights and wide shelves were attracting the crowd. Some days, Rashid earned almost nothing, yet he never once thought of closing his doors. Neighbors would ask him, sometimes even mockingly, "Why don't you give up, uncle? Who will shop here when the world has moved on?" But Rashid would simply reply, "This general store is not just my livelihood, it is my life. My father built it with his own hands. A tree never abandons its roots. With patience, seasons always change." Years passed like this. Customers were few, but Rashid continued his routine faithfully. Every morning he cleaned the counter, arranged the shelves, and sat quietly with hope in his heart. Then one cold winter evening, the entire neighborhood fell into darkness. A sudden power outage shut down the modern supermarkets. Their glass doors were locked, their machines useless, their shelves inaccessible. People grew anxious, unsure where to go for their daily needs. At the corner of the street, they saw a warm light. Rashid's old general store was still open, lit by a single oil lantern. He was calmly serving whoever came, giving out flour, rice, bread, and tea. When some had no money to pay, Rashid said with a gentle smile, "Take it now. You can return the payment when the lights return." That night, a long line of people stood outside the little general store. The same people who once ignored him now depended on him. They went home not only with food, but also with respect for Rashid's patience and kindness. From that day onward, everything changed. The neighborhood realized that his general store was not just about goods, it was about trust, honesty, and care. Families preferred him because he was fair. Children adored him because he always slipped an extra sweet into their hands. Neighbors admired him because he never turned anyone away. Slowly, the store was repaired, the shelves were filled, and the business flourished again. But Rashid himself remained the same, humble, kind, and patient. One evening, a young man asked him, "Uncle Rashid, how did your little general store survive when so many bigger shops failed?" Rashid looked at the shelves, the counter, and the lantern that still glowed softly. Then, with a smile, he said, "My son, money can vanish, buildings can fall, but patience never dies. It is patience that has kept this store alive. And patience changes everything." Moral: patience is the quiet strength that turns struggle into success. It may not bring results instantly, but in time, it transforms everything. Let's learn from the story. 1. Livelihood, meaning, a means of securing the necessities of life. Example: the little general store was not just Rashid's work, it was his livelihood. 2. Abandon, meaning, to leave something behind or give up on it. Example: despite the struggles, Rashid refused to abandon his store. 3. Faithfully, meaning, with loyalty, dedication, or consistency. Example: Rashid faithfully opened his shop every morning, no matter how few customers came. 4. Flourished, meaning, grew or developed successfully and strongly. Example: after years of patience, Rashid's business slowly flourished again.